automated service agreements are tying the expected service costs of an asset over its entire life cycle into the machine as a service program, such that you're paying for the outcomes achieved with the obligation to deliver the appropriate service to achieve those outcome levels, going to a third party who assists you with the routine maintenance, monitors your asset, and ensures that no disruptive issues are coming up that may shut you down, because ultimately they benefit when they're able to help you achieve the production targets on that machine. That's how they're the most profitable and how they generate their revenue. Versus today, where a service agreement may include a block of time, an obligation to use a certain amount of hours. You're really paying for the resolution of the things that you don't want to have happen, as opposed to paying somebody who is guaranteeing that you'll achieve your goals for the equipment. You know, in today's market, there's so much concern for the lack of skilled labor, and it's amplified by the fact that so much more technology is being deployed in the manufacturing segment that it's very difficult to get the resources that you need to support that. And ultimately, you don't need those resources every day. You don't need an expert in every element of every machine on your floor to be successful, especially when you're partnering closely with your OEM or a third-party service firm that provides all of those services and links it to a successful outcome for your business.